Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So basically I will show you here. Let's say if you have some friend, so if I go, for example, this guy is my friend, and let me just to demonstrate here, I will just block this account. Okay, and for example, as you can see here that I have blocked this account. Now how I can unblock him? So guys, if you want to unblock that person, you have to go to the three lines which is on top right side corner, and here you have to click on search, and you have to write here block. Okay, and here you have to click on block persons, and after that you can see that whatever account I have blocked, here I can unblock them, right? So if I just click on the unblock, and here it will show me that really if you want to unblock and all that, so you have to wait for 48 hours if you want to block this person again. So I'll just unblock him. So this is how guys you can just unblock anybody if you have blocked them before. So this is it. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.